Long ago, in a land of beauty and legend, there lived a maiden named Daragang Magayon, renowned for her grace and unmatched beauty. Many sought her hand, but Magayon made a promise that she would only marry the man she truly loved.
Hold on, lady! I'm coming!
Fate answered her call. A brave warrior named Panganoron saved her life. And in that moment, love was born.
on a Sunday.